Good morning everyone. Today we are going to study experiment number 8 to study the characteristics of rat race hybrid coupler. The arrangement for the rat race hybrid coupler is again the same because we have the trainer kit for the same. For all the microstrip components we are having the trainer kit, and in that also we have that rat race hybrid coupler strip. So we need to connect the spectrum analyzer directly to the microstrip component, that is to the rat race hybrid coupler. Now as per the theory, you might have gone through the rat race hybrid coupler before going to start the performance of this experiment. So directly we'll have, this is the rat race hybrid coupler. Okay, it is 4-port device, and it is very much like the Magic T. Only the thing is that there is the match termination, and here we do not require any match termination to get the output from the other 2 port. So that is the difference, and before going to start, we'll have the connection for this 4-port rat race hybrid coupler. First one is the trigger generator output, that we have to connect it to the input, that is the port A. So here we can see that there are 4 ports in this microstrip rat race hybrid coupler, that is port A, port B, port C and port D. But here we are saying that port A, from other 2 ports where we are getting the output signal, one port is called as the sum port, another port is called as the difference port, and another remaining is port B. So we will connect this port A trigger generator output to the port A, and RF input to the port 2, and will perform the experiment. Okay, so for that we need to start the spectrum analyzer. Okay, so initially what we can see, the one signal which is by default. Now we will set the frequency first. So before going to set the frequency, what we have to do, we have to go to the option and we have to trigger the spectrum analyzer. So go to the option button, you will get here TG, get it on. So now you can see the characteristics that you can get from the port 2. Okay, now for the same you have to select the frequency, set the frequency. So we'll have this frequency set for the start, stop, step and center. So the start frequency will set it at 1.5 gigahertz, and stop frequency we will set it at 3 gigahertz. Okay, step frequency 1.1 gigahertz we can say. Okay, and the center frequency is 1.5 gigahertz. Now we will take the observations at a frequency and respective output port in dBm. Okay, so again you set the marker first. So marker has been selected. Okay, and now you can see that marker here. Okay, you can see here the marker is changing its position when I press the knob. Okay, so in this way we will mark this frequency with respect to the output power, and we'll get the output. So we have to take all the observations for port 1, port 2, port 3, port 4 like this. So we'll take that and we'll draw the graph for this experiment also, in between 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4. Okay, in this manner. So all of you have to take the readings, write the readings and draw the graph according to the readings. Okay, like this. So in this way I will show you the readings for this. Okay, these are the readings, and from this readings only you have to draw the graph. Okay, so thank you all of you. So hence we have studied the rat race coupler, hybrid coupler, and its nature is plotted. Thank you very much. In the graph below you can see that there is a characteristics of the rat race hybrid coupler, that is the frequency response, and the second one is the phase response of the rat race hybrid coupler. Okay, now we are going to start the connections. So again what we have to do, we have to connect this. First one is the